Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Barbara and this is my home sweet home. I'm so excited to finally have one of these in my kitchen, a teak wood meat masher. And let me tell you, it works so well for browning my ground beef and breaking up all kinds of meats without making it a mess. The first thing I noticed is the 4-blade design. It's one of those simple little upgrades that replaces a few different tools because you can chop, crumble, and mash really evenly as you cook. So when I'm making taco meat, spaghetti sauce, chili, anything like that, I'm not standing there forever trying to break up chunks with a flat-ended piece of wood utensil that doesn't work quite as well. It just gets the job done quickly, this one, and it feels sturdy in your hand. And because it's a natural teak wood, it's a really nice alternative to the plastic or nylon ones. Teak is known for being durable, and it naturally resists moisture, stains, and odors, which is exactly what you want for something you're using with meat and strong seasonings. Plus, it's really gentle on your cookware, so I don't feel like I'm scraping up my pans, when I'm working. It's also more multi-purpose than you'd think. Ground beef, shredded chicken, mashed potatoes, even beans. One tool, a bunch of uses, and it doesn't take up extra space in the drawer. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.